Welcome to Easy Cozy Learning channel. Today we will learn about addition. This is the symbol of addition. We can say it add, plus or sum. This is the symbol of equal to. Addition is adding two different objects or numbers which results in its total sum. Here is an example. 1 apple plus 2 apples equal to 3 apples. So the sum of 1 apple and 2 apples are 3 apples. Let's count. Here is 1 monkey plus 1, 2 monkeys is equal to 1, 2, 3. It means 3 monkeys. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. 3 frogs plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frogs. That means 3 frogs plus 5 frogs is equal to 8 frogs. See some more examples. 2 mangoes plus 3 mangoes equals to 5 mangoes. Another example. 2 oranges plus 2 oranges and their sum is 4 oranges. Example 3. There were 5 flowers plus 1 flower is equals to 6 flowers. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.